Vikings didn't wear horned helmets. We've all seen images of Vikings with armor and horned helmets in pop culture. According to Aarhus University's website, danmarkshistorien.dk, these Viking helmets may have been inspired by the composer Richard Wagner. It was inspired by Viking helmets with horns that appeared in the 1876 premiere of The Ring of the Nibelung. Germanic and Norse mythology were used as inspiration for Wagner's masterwork. Many items purporting to be Viking helmets gained horns in the years that followed. This persisted in films, plays, comics, and children's books until experts discovered real Viking helmets had no horns. As far as Østgard is concerned, Merovingian horned helmets, circa 550 to 800, were not battle helmets. Aristocratic people may have worn them as headgear. We can be confident that individuals in the Nordic nations used horned helmets as far back as the Bronze Age, some 3,000 years ago. Bronze Age petroglyphs found in western Sweden and southern Norway commonly depict human figures with such protruding horns. When the Vik's helmets were discovered beside a bog on Zealand in 1942, no one knew what they were. Other evidence suggests that between 3,700 and 2,500 years ago, horned helmets were widespread in the Nordic nations. Copper and tin commerce, as well as trade in animal skins and jewels, may have spanned considerably farther than previously assumed. Many archaeologists now believe that trading ships from Scandinavia made their way to the Mediterranean as far back as 3,000 years ago. Helle Vandkild, a Bronze Age archaeologist from Denmark, is one of many who has pointed out the similarities between the two Vik's helmets and those discovered on the Mediterranean island of Sardinia, as well as images of helmets recovered in southern Spain.